Welcome to Inside the Courtroom. I'm Carla Schusler here with Greg McCollum of the Complete Legal Defense Team. Hi, Greg.
Hi, Carla.
We've been talking the last few weeks about domestic violence and when calls are placed to the police and what happens when they arrive, and some suggestions on how to diffuse situations before calling the police. One was to leave the home, or one of the people to leave the home. But we started talking last week a little bit about what happens if you leave the home after the police have been called, or should you leave the home after the police have been called. We talked a little bit about once they're there, you shouldn't leave because that's running from the police. But if you do leave the home before they get there, but after they've been called, what should you expect to happen after that?
You know, that night they're probably going to try to reach you. They're going to get your phone number from your spouse and call you. They're going to try to talk to you. If they reach you, they're going to tell you to come back, probably.
Should you answer the phone?
You know, there's no law that says you have to answer the phone, okay? We haven't gotten to that point yet. But if you answer the phone and they tell you to come back, now you're aggravating them. You're aggravating the situation. So people have to draw their own conclusions. But even though the police have been called, there's no law that says you cannot leave. You're not under arrest. There's a call that's gone in. Maybe it's valid, maybe it's invalid.
But if you do leave and they're calling or they want to speak to you and you don't take the call, what happens next?
They're going to get a warrant for your arrest for domestic violence at some level, and they're going to start looking for you. And so then you have an opportunity to contact a lawyer and who would contact the police on your behalf and have you go be arrested voluntarily.
That's important. If you have a question for the Complete Legal Defense Team, email us at greg@completelegalDefenseTeam.com.